Hello guys, welcome sa Pakaulaw 101. So karon nga video magtudlo lang ko og Bisaya words sa mga taong ganahan makabalog Bisaya. Mga basic lang gud nga Bisaya. O Tagalog lang po siguro para okay ra. So karon mahimo og si teacher Maestro Jimboy. Mag-English lang po, mag-in-English na po ko balik. Di ba ito ganun mag-in-English? Pero akong gamitan akong Filipino accent ng English. English. Hindi po na Spanish. So, sugot ta. So, kani ang... sorry. So, this is how you... These are the words that needs to be translated to Bisayan and Tagalog. So let's start. You in Bisayan word, it's ikaw. In Tagalog, it's also ikaw. So you is ikaw. Me in Bisaya is ako. In Tagalog, it's also ako. Is how. How in Bisaya is sakot. In Tagalog, it is Tagalog is paano. So next is what. What in Bisaya is unsa. Next is where. Where in What in Tagalog is ano. In Tagalog it's ano. So next is where. Where in Bisaya is asa. In Tagalog, it's saan. Next is when. When in Bisaya is kanusa. Kanusa. In Tagalog, it's kailan. Kailan siya. Oh yeah, in Tagalog, it's kailan. Name. Name in Bisaya is ngalan. In Tagalog, it's pangalan. Gets mo? Age. Age in Bisaya is edad. In Tagalog, edad. Yes, is male. So male in Bisaya is lalaki. In Tagalog, it's also lalaki. So, next is female. Female in Bisaya is babae. In Tagalog, it's babae. Yes, that is the basic Bisaya words with a bit of Tagalog. Sorry, I'm not a good teacher. So, just bear with it. And I know no one will watch this video, this nonsense of mine. Because I'm not that famous. And, yeah, this is for my boredom to go out in this solemn. Basta ako rin gud isa diri niya di ko kakuan diri. Kasi ako ra koy samo tanan ako kusumutan og kamera. Diri sa balayan. Oh. Ako. So mo to akong video karon. Salamat sa pagtan-aw. Kadush.